In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort from highest to lowest in Google Sheets. Sorting your data efficiently is key when you're working with extensive data sets, as it helps in organizing information and making analysis more intuitive. Let's dive in and get this done step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Sheets document. This can be any sheet containing the data you want to sort. If you haven't set up your dataset yet, no worries. Go ahead and input some sample data to practice with. Once you've got your sheet open, look for the column that contains the values you wish to sort. For today's demonstration, let's imagine we're working with column D. You simply need to hover over the header of column D and give it a click. This action highlights the entire column, signaling that our next steps will focus on sorting this specific set of data. Now, with column D highlighted, navigate to the top menu bar of your Google Sheets. Look for a tab labeled Data. This menu is where most of the sorting and filtering functions are located in Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on Data. Upon clicking Data, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you have various options for sorting and manipulating your data. For our purpose, we want to find the option that says Sort Sheet. Selecting this option is crucial because it opens up more specific sorting functionalities. After selecting Sort Sheet, you'll be presented with multiple sorting choices. Since our goal is to sort the data from highest to lowest, look for and click on the option that reads Sort Range by Column D, Z to A. This specific option sorts the data in descending order, meaning from the highest value to the lowest one. This order is perfect when you're dealing with numerical data where you'd like the largest numbers to appear at the top, or if you're working with text and want it to sort in reverse alphabetical order. And just like that, your data will rearrange itself dynamically, displaying from the highest to the lowest values in column D. With these steps, sorting information in your Google Sheets has never been easier. Remember, sorting data efficiently is not just about neatness, but also about ensuring that the insights you derive are accurate and well-structured. This ease of sorting allows for quicker decision-making and better data comprehension. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helped you organize your data more effectively.